today I will try to explain you the different terms of delivery. When you decide to buy something from abroad, you need to understand that this is a bigger process than sending money and receiving the product. This is a process of dealing with the product, dealing with the customs in seller's country and buyer's country, arranging the shipment between these two countries, and also paying the taxes. Okay. When you decide to buy something and when you talk with the sellers in another country, you need to understand that if the seller gives you the price of X work, it means that the seller is responsible only from the product, okay? And the rest of the responsibility belongs to you. If the seller says that the shipment is FCI, which means that the seller will be responsible with the product and opening the custom in seller's country. Let's say this is Mekmar and this is Turkey, and Mekmar will produce the product for you and open the custom in Turkey, and that's all. If you want to add more responsible to seller, to Mekmar, we can do that. We can send this product to any kind of Turkish port for you, and in that way the delivery term will be FOB. It means that Mekmar seller will be responsible from the product, producing the product, opening the local custom for you, and sending this product to any kind of Turkish port, from Izmir, from Mersin, from Istanbul, and loading these products, these goods to container. And here the responsibility ends for the F type of loadings and deliveries. And from here, the responsibility in buyer's country began. When you decide us for Mekmar or sellers to take more responsibility for you, it means that the seller can arrange shipment from Izmir port, like Turkish port, the seller's port, to your country's ports. It means that seller will send this load the container and send these products to your port. Let's say you are in Florida and you want to receive the products in Florida port. Mekmar can do it for you. And in that way, the loading will be CFR. In that way, Mekmar will be responsible from the product, local custom in Turkey, container loading and loading of this container to ship, and shipment until your port. If you want, we can also add insurance to this process, and we can get the insurance for your product, and in that way, the delivery term will be CIF. So basically, Mekmar will arrange everything for you and add some kind of insurance for you, and you will receive the product from your own port, okay? But we also come that side of the process as a custom and taxation. Here, product came to your country, but this product came from another country, so there needs to be some kind of custom and taxation process in your country, and it comes to DAP delivery term. When you say Gizem as a Mekmar, as a seller, please arrange this shipment for us until the port, and also please open the custom in my country as a buyer's country. I can do it for you again. I can arrange the opening of customs in your country, and in that way the delivery term will be EAP. In that way again, Mekmar seller will be responsible of the product, local custom, container loading, shipment until your port, and also opening the custom in your country, which means, let's say in United States, we will open the custom for you, and you will take the products from here to your warehouse or your address. From here, we can also arrange the shipment to your address or like your warehouse after opening the custom, with extra cost of course. But there is one last delivery term that we can only do in United States, which is DDP. Until here, we do everything for you. Like we bring the products, we open both customs, everything is okay. But as a buyer, you need to pay some kind of tax to your country, okay? And this kind of process, paying taxes in your country, only you can do it, or any type of like local company can do it for you. that's why, because we don't have any company in every country, Mekmar cannot deliver the goods as DDP firm in your country, in France, in England, in Romania. But we can only do this, we can only pay taxes for you to your government in United States, because Mekmar has a company in United States. So when it comes to all responsibility here, product, customs, shipments and taxes, we can arrange everything for you only in America, only in United States. Except this, Mekmar can send and take care of everything for you except taxation, and taxation will be only your responsibility. And I think that's all for the delivery terms. Thank you for listening.